Welcome back, everybody, to would you look at this stuff? I don't know if you can even see it. It's so much stuff. We got shocks. We got a Pure roller I'm trying to build up for one of my kids. Doing some shock work, getting it running because you need something that can run. But I'm doing something. Oh, and it's almost Christmas, so packing Christmas gifts. Well, none of this stuff, but anyways, I'm doing something quite a bit different today. Yeah, that's why we're all zoomed out all the way back here, because we're going to need some room. So, how do I go about this? That's a lot of stuff to clean up. Okay, that's going to take me about 2 seconds, maybe one. So, we're going to do like, okay. See here? See here? See here? Oh. Shazam! Or whatever. Something. All right, so let's get to it. A couple of weeks ago, Crawler Canyon. If you don't follow him and watch all this stuff on YouTube, I highly recommend it. Did his weekly live stream on Friday, 3 weeks ago, a while ago, not too long. And he had for the channel members, the paying channel members, of which I am one of the first ones. He had, and he gave away a truck to he had a drawing, did the whole spinning wheel thing, and he lined it on my name, which is pretty cool. We're like 70s, I think. So I received this thing today, and it's a fairly big box. I haven't really said what he gave away yet. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna open it this way because why not? We're gonna do what all the YouTubers do because I usually use like a scalpel or scissors to open boxes, and all these people are they were their little cute little knives. Look, I made this thing. We're gonna do it with a proper knife. I haven't sharpened this in like 30 years, so it's probably not gonna work. But I mean, why not? Oh, yeah, kinda. It's not even. It's like a toy sword for kids. It's not even a little sharp. Oh, there's. I'm gonna guess that's a tire foam used for packing. It's this blade is so dull. I need to sharpen it. I think. Um. Well, I could have if it was sharper, I would have cut myself right there. So that's how dull that is. Okay, so thanks a lot, Mr. C, for more tire foams because it's not like I don't have bags full already because I don't use them because I have three different. Is that one of those RC4? What, that these are that's sofa cushioner, right? That is sofa cushion. That's hard. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, that's really hard. That's anyways. Anyone need tire foams? You know, look me up. I've got tire foams. I already have like I don't know, say 20 some odd sets of tire foams somewhere in bags full because I when I get tires I rip them straight out and then I design and 3D print stuff. You know, like this stuff. Way better than any foam that I've tried, and I've tried a bunch of them. So that's a stack of foams. All right, another foam. Awesome. Ah, sweet. One of the Crawler Canyon shock stands. Yeah, these are really nice. I already have one of those, so this is going to a friend of mine who is also getting something from the Crawler Canyon today. But uh, this is going to be having some wrinkly sounds on him. I mean, by the size, I guess you can kind of figure out what he gave away and what sent across the Atlantic to me, all the way over here. Oh, that's more phones. Oh, this is the phone. All right, so I'm going to do this over here. Then we're going to move the. That's not noisy at all, is it? That's, oh, oh, wow. All right. So let's see. All right. Okay. Let's do it like this. We're gonna this fairly large box out of the way. All right. So, wow, that is really okay. So this isn't for me. This is for a friend of mine who's also in Norway, and he got this sent over from the Crawley Canyon. And I kind of want this now because this looks really good. Okay. Sorry, dude. Oh, no, I'm gonna send it to you. I promise I would, but god damn, that's a good looking paint job. That's for the SX10 Pro. That is actually really, I like that. I really do. Too bad it's not mine. But that, I, all right. So what do we have here? All right. So it's in pieces. That's the body for the rig called Missing Link. Oh, it came with tires as well. Oh, that's awesome. I mean, I do have a lot of tires. I do not have, I'm not quite sure which tires these are, but I'm always open for more tires and more wheels. As a longtime follower and subscriber and member, all that of the Crawley Canyon, it's really awesome to have a rig from there. Or actually, I already do, but the other one, okay, noise. I'm gonna show you the other one I've got from the Crawley Canyon about a year ago. Actually, almost exactly a year ago. I got this in time for Christmas last year. That's the FMS Jimny. All I've done is change out the wheels and servo because the servo died first time we drove it. And I've added a little driver figure. That's Captain Marvel in there. This thing is super scale. I mean, not much for performance, but it's got to be one of the most awesome little scale trucks around. It's a 1/12 scale Jimny. Steering wheel turns, all that. It's got a full light kit. It's got everything. It's really something. So that's been to the Crawley Canyon because I got it from there. He did a video on it. It's not his style at all because he's all about 10th scale and all about like proper crawlers, and that's a trail truck, scale trail truck. All right, so tires. I can't remember what tires were on this one, but they're here. So dude loves his cling wrap. It's good. This is pretty much how I what I do to my tires when I put them away in a storage for storage. All right, so lubricator safe. I like this tape. I have some of that as well. Oh, dang, those are nice wheels. Oh yeah, that's right. Those are the I remember those. Oh, these are cool. Really addictive. And some Proline flat irons. Oh, dude. And I can't remember what's inside these. I think maybe some silicones, in drawer or one of those. I haven't had any flat irons. So that's going to be really interesting. Oh, really nice. Nice and soft. And those tires, though. I think focus on those. Come on, focus. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, yep. Try and focus back on the bench. There we go. All right, so set of tires, awesome. Like really decent tires as well. Not. This is proper good stuff. All right, so got the body. It's really nice gold flake kind of paint. Looks good. All right, so there's more to this than just the body and the tires. So let's get the rest out. Here's like a another layer or two of tire foams. Yeah. I mean, that's one way to get for him to get rid of him. Send him across the Atlantic to be thrown away here, or given away. All right, so there's an envelope in here. Ooh, sweet. Some more Crawler Canyon stickers. I could always use those. That's nice. And put those on there. All right, so what we're all here for, or what I'm here for, because I picked this up from the mail today. I had to pay a little bit of customs, but not too much. Because after telling him, push the value on the whatever you're writing the box, set it a bit lower, and I had to pay like $35 in, in customs and taxes. All right, so what the? All right. Oh, whoa! There's parts falling off here. Off camera because there we go. That's missing link. That is it's got the Element independent front suspension, the IFS2 I think in the front. It's got the self gearbox and it's got some Element axles in the back. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, so good thing for our plastic in large bags for recycling. So once one's full, we just start in another bag, and if I put 4 bags out in the curb, they'll pick up all 4. So there's a bit of plastic here. All right, so all this stuff. There's a bumper and body mounts and some stuff like that. Custom made everything. Not custom made rails. Some battery mounts and electronic stuff. There's no electronics in it, but no worries. I have that myself. Put these to the side for now. Okay, so it's just right here, and got some plastic wheels on there just for shipping. So there you go. That's missing link all the way over from California. So if you're in the area, you can go Crawler Canyon. I'm sure he'll be happy to have you. It's a bit far for me to travel to go crawling, and a bit expensive as well. I haven't been over to California in oh, geez, 12 years, something like that. Quite a while, and that was for work. The last time I was there. So, yeah, missing link needs a motor, needs a servo, needs a speed controller and a receiver and a radio setup. But everything else is here. It's going to be my first IFS, crawler filter. Oh, it's got the arms in the back. So it's not a regular linked setup. It's got trailing arms and a front independent front suspension. It's got some wear and tear from the Canyon, which is awesome. And it's winter, but luckily for me, there's no snow out because the rain came and took that away. And now it's supposed to be nice weather next couple of days, so I may actually get the chance to go out and run this before spring. If I put some waterproof electronics in it, I can run it in snow, which is also fun to some extent. I mean, this time of year, it's in Norway for most of us. It's all about these guys. This is my latest build. Well, it's an evolution of a build I've had for a while. It's got some stuff on it. It's class 2 SCX 24 of sorts. It's the rear hinge here is axial. Everything else is not. So yeah, we're all about small scale in winter because winter, snow, ice, cold, crap. You know. Anyways, I'm gonna find some electronics for this. I'm gonna get it running. I'm gonna get the body on. I'm gonna get the tires and wheels on, and I'm gonna, go outside and try it. Well, not now because it's like 1:30 at night. So that's me not going to bed. And I have to be up in, what is it, 5.5 hours to get the kids off to school. Last day before Christmas break. Awesome. So yeah, dude, it's a legit Crawler Canyon built rig. It's awesome. I'm so happy to have this. I mean, who wouldn't be happy to get another, crawler for, free? Well, a little bit of tax, but that's nothing. And it's my first element because I have axial and axial and axial and axial, you know, well, RGT and some custom stuff. But first element, which I'm really excited to check out. First stealth, first IFS, first everything. It's going to be fun. So this is just like an unboxing and me bragging about it. Look at me. I won something and it's freaking awesome and it's from the other side of the Atlantic and I'm stoked. And yeah, sucks it wasn't you. Happy it was me. Yeah, dude. Awesome. Crawley Canyon built, approved, and everything rigged. Very different. Missing link because, no links. IFS2. So not your average crawler, 4 link setup and all that. That's kind of the fun of it. I want to put it like a fairly fast motor in it. So I'm going to see if I have anything that could fit or if I have to get something. I have servos, I have all that stuff, so that's no biggie. Yeah, dude. Awesome. Thanks a lot to Crawley Canyon, Mr. C. This is awesome. Really happy to have it. Stoked. I don't think I'm gonna. Well, I'm gonna run it, see, but I don't think this needs changing because it's something else, which is sweet. So, yeah, I've been rambling on for long enough because that's what I do. So, thanks for watching. If you did, it's a Canyon rig. I'm fanboying out here. That's something. So next time, well, sometime in the future, hopefully fairly soon, I'm going to have this running. I'm going to film it running. I'm going to go into the woods. Maybe we'll have some snow by then. I'm going to hoon it around in the snow because, yay, drifting on ice. I don't know. So if you want to see that, and if you're already subscribed, I highly recommend subscribing. That's down here somewhere. I don't know. And, clicking the whole thing to get all my videos and updates and whatnot. I do other stuff as well. Small scale, large scale. Recently did a rally car, which was freaking awesome. So yeah, thanks for checking this out. Uh, thanks to Mr. C for sending this all the way from the United States of America. Peace.